So in the previous video, the client had requested the list of to-dos using a GET request asking for API experiments to do, but there was nothing mapped to that on the server. So in this video, let's create the web service that can respond with the list of to-dos. So we had created the application, the server-side application in a previous video that originally just displayed hello from the server to-do app. So let's use the app instance that was passed to the module when it gets instantiated to create the response for that URL that is incoming. So the URL looks something like this. Let's copy that. Let's put it in there, and then we'll say let's map that to a local function that gets all the to-dos. All right, and let's implement that in a local function that participates in the request response of the server, right? The client server mechanism of communicating with one another. So this is going to respond with the data that is currently hard-coded on the client, this hard-coded here. So we're going to move it from here. We're going to rip it out from the client side where it does not belong, and we're going to move it to the rightful place. So we're going to declare it here. There it is. That's the to-dos. And so what this is going to do is going to respond with this list of to-dos. It's going to say response.send back, or JSON. Actually, we know that it's JSON object. We'll respond with the to-dos. Okay. So if we restart the server, we can now refresh the page and ask for the same content. Let's see. Let's refresh. Okay, and notice that now the query, right, the query for the API experiment event, instead of returning as an error, notice that it responds with the array of all to-dos. We now would have to send back this information back to the controller, and the controller would render that, and we'll do that in the next video.